Alright. Well, we've had storms threatening, but it could be worse. It isn't too bad. Freddy, however, wants to come out and see how everything is, because of course he is curious. And we're only getting like a couple drops. I was gonna go do a live otherwise, because people do seem to enjoy it. But you can see it's threatening, it's just not doing. So, being able to give Freddy a little bit of a walk. What was that, buddy? Oh, I bet you he got hit with a raindrop. He is not a fan of those. Which is why it's interesting that he always wants to come outside either when there is a storm or right before. So for now, he's just getting a little short walk. It's his little exploratory mission. And he wants to check stuff out. But we're still getting lightning. He's a little bit edgy because I think they know when there's a storm that could end up sending lightning bolts from the sky. And he's not a giant fan of that. Come on, buddy, we're not going there. Not even an option. He bypassed the garden, which, it's fine. Because he is going to continue to try to go to places where we're not going to go. We're not doing it tonight, Freddy. I am not running through all that fun stuff that's on the ground if there is rain and it's almost nighttime. That's just not going to do. But he is persistent and hopeful. But we're not going in there right now. Still construction going on in there. So we have to do what we can do. But this is just a little walk. Where's Freddy? And I believe he's starting to realize he's going to end up getting wet if it does decide to come down like it has been throughout the rest of the area. Because Central Florida has been booming lately. Which is okay. But it definitely leads to a lot of Freddy not going outside. And there's a lizard. Of course there would be. Well, I have to corral him. Because the last thing I want is us to get one of those sudden lightning strikes and there to be a real problem.